I'm sure I'm not the only one who despises cleaning the shower. Every time I do get around to cleaning the shower, I tell myself I'll clean it more often going forward so the cleaning won't be so difficult. That always turns into what you see now. My goal today is to see if an idea that occurred to me will work. If so, this soap scum covered shower side will be a lot cleaner within the next 30 minutes. Probably not like new, but a lot cleaner. See what I do next. For this project, I went out and picked up a toilet brush. The only requirement was to get one that's cylindrical in shape to get the best results. I want to fit it in my cordless drill, but I'm not sure what's the largest shaft the chuck will take. I used my biggest drill bit to get a reasonable estimate of the size that will fit. I never realized the chuck could accept that large a shaft, but it's good information to remember. I eyeballed where on the toilet brush the same size of shaft matched up with the drill bit and marked it for cutting. I used a hacksaw to cut the toilet brush on the line and was surprised that the toilet brush was not hollow. This is a good thing because it means the handle won't crush as easily when it's mounted in the drill. When mounting the toilet brush just after cutting, I expected it to not fit. I purposely cut the toilet brush handle closer to the thicker side of the handle, knowing I can trim it afterwards. I want the brush to be as far from the drill as possible to avoid the splash while scrubbing from getting onto the drill. It's not that big a deal for some people, but more a personal preference for me. After some rough trimming with a utility razor, the brush fit into the drill chuck about as nicely as I could get it. It was slightly off-center, but precision is not a requirement for this project. With the toilet brush mounted, it looks like it'll do the job I'm expecting. I'll spray some Clorox in the tub to help with the scrubbing. It's what I always use, so it'll make for a good comparison. My first impression is it's working fantastic. I remember scrubbing this tub by hand with a handheld brush. In fact, the one you see at the left of the screen. Using that brush is very slow going, and the work is very manual and probably the most labor intensive of all my bathroom cleaning chores. Just the thought of knowing I have to do it again makes me find some excuse to put it off for a while longer. Considering I did that small amount of scrubbing in about a minute is fantastic, and that was with no effort at all. As you can see here, the before and after difference is very obvious. My tub was pretty bad, but like I said, it's something I tend to make an excuse for due to it being the last thing I want to always do, and then some. And last but not least, toilet brushes come with this handy storage container to hold it while it dries. I hope this device can help you with your bathroom cleaning needs. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.